Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2023 model Toyota Hilux G, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 36k kilometers mileage, first owned, touchscreen head unit with eco and power mode, SRS airbags, thick tires, reverse sensors, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,168,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 205,040 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2015) model Mazda CX-5, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 81k kilometers mileage, ending plate 0, driver, passenger airbags, alloy mags, 5-seater, push start, i-stop features, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 134,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016) model Mazda 6, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 56k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 9, push start, parking brake, parking sensors, power seats, panoramic sunroof, reverse camera, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 167,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2021) model Ford Ranger Raptor, 4-wheel drive, 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 21k kilometers mileage, plate ending 2, infotainment display, reverse sensors at camera, smart entry, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist system, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,338,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 359,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2018 model BMW 318B Limousine. 2-liter diesel engine. Automatic transmission. 41k kilometers mileage. First owned. Maintained at Auto Ali, BMW Centris. Plate ending 4. New run flat tires. Infotainment system. Reverse camera and sensors. Power and memory seats. Free transfer of ownership. Cash price. 1,508,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment. 424,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2022) Model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 23k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, plate ending 3, panoramic sunroof, active park assist, 360 camera, heating, cooling seats, forward collision warning, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 828,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 189,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.